Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I have another weight loss drink. If you have any difficult fat, stubborn fat in your body that you've been trying to lose and you're finding it difficult, this drink is for you. If you're interested to see how I make the drink, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video like this, you're not going to miss out. Let's get started. To make the drink, the ingredients you're going to need is watermelon, 1 apple, 1 carrot, and ginger. Next is to peel the skin of the watermelon, then cut into small sizes. But before you peel your watermelon, please remember to wash. I did that off camera, and this is the amount of watermelon I'm going to use. You can also increase the quantity of your watermelon depending on the amount of people you're serving. Next, wash the carrot and cut into small sizes for easy blending. I wash off camera to save time. After that, cut the apple and also cut the ginger for easy blending. Blending all this fruit together is going to help you lose that stubborn or difficult fat in your body. When you replace it with your breakfast or your dinner, this step is very important. In order for you to work really fast, you need to replace with your breakfast or your dinner. Then you have other benefits that you're going to get from all the fruits. Drinking watermelon is going to help reduce your blood pressure. Also, it's going to help blood circulation in your body. Then reduce the risk of heart disease. Carrots. Carrot is very high in fiber, contain vitamin A, vitamin K1, low in cholesterol, making it the best ingredients for weight loss. Apple. Apple is high in soluble fiber, lower in cholesterol, and also good for your heart. Contains a lot of health benefits, making it the best ingredients for weight loss. Ginger. Ginger is high in antioxidant. It's going to help promote your health, help delay your aging, making it the best ingredients for your weight loss. After prepping, transfer to a blender, then add 1.5 cup of clean water, and I'm using cold water for this. After adding it, blend until very smooth. You need to blend this until smooth. So I've said all the health benefit of all these ingredients that I'm using today. So please try this out if you've not tried it before. If you want to lose any stubborn, difficult body fats around your body, drink this. Replace it with your meal, breakfast, dinner, and you will see results in 1 week. The further you do it, the more better you're going to see results. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? After blending, you can also take out the foam on top, that's bubbles on top, take them out. That is if you don't want it, but you can also drink it like that. But I like to take it out or scoop it out, then serve. You can serve in a glass cup, you can add some ice and enjoy. I want to take this time to appreciate all the new subscribers, the old one who started with me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. I don't take you for granted. Thank you so much. For those of you who come back to watch my video, I really appreciate you all. I love you all. Thank you so much. And if you try this drink, please let me know how many kg you lost in 1 week or how many pounds you lost in 1 week. I'd love to know, because when I tried it, I lost a lot. Replace with your meal, please, if you want a fast results. You can also check the description box. You're going to find all the list of the ingredients. It's just 4 ingredients, very easy to put together. Please try this out and let me know. Summer is here. You want to snatch that body, you get me? Thank you so much. I love you all. If you've not subscribed, please hit that button and subscribe. Also leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. If you have a friend, please share this video with your friends, share in your social media. Love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.